Presiden yang mana ia mampu memberikan waktu dengan berkomunikasi kewirangan yang adil dan berjaya. Hasil pemerhatian ribuan orang yang terpilih lagi akan mendapat pemula berasal setiap hari. Itu dia.
Bahasa mudahnya 7 grade dari stesen.
Hello, hi, good evening. My name is Alvin. So I'll be explaining to you about our invention of our app, which is called as Trip Planner. So practically, what is Trip Planner? With the slogan of create your own destiny, which means we are giving you an opportunity to learn on how you're gonna manage your time in terms of taking public transportation. So for example, whenever you're gonna drive and so on, you'll plan your own schedule because you're gonna drive it. So right now in this situation where trains are being handled by an organization where you are not in control of it, so the least we can do is adapt with the timing and come up with a solid planning as well. So this is why we're going to help you out using this app.
Good evening, Doctor. I'm Ashwini. I'm going to present about our group app, which is a trip planner. Create your own destiny with your trip planner. What is a trip planner actually? It is an app, and we're going to look about the trip planner background. Okay, a developed country will not be separate from a problem of a road congestion. Malaysia is one of the country that's suffering from the road congestion, especially when people start moving to the work. Not only weekdays, is also weekend. And this trip planner is especially designed to provide a number of real-time data for all trends, especially in Klang and Kyle Valley areas. Some of the interesting features will be provided by this app, including allow the user to know their amount of fare, time requirement to move from one location to another destination as well. And apart from that, it will be able to indicate real-time data for the train operators. This will be indirectly make it easier for a consumer to know the travel time and respond to the government challenge to use a public transport, which in turn can reduce traffic congestion on the road. Moving forward, we're going to look about the organization chart for the trip planner. Our organization chart contains a CEO of the app and VP for the public relation and VP for the marketing finance and VP for the HR payroll and VP for the operation. Alvin Raj as the CEO, Afiq as VP for the public relation, and Muhammad Yusairi is VP for the marketing and finance, and Khiruddin as VP for the HR and payroll, and myself Ashwini as VP for the operation as well. Next, we're going to see about the customer and the solution. Our target customer are all the people who want to use the train service, especially for the lower income, and also for those who want to commute to the work for daily. And besides that, we also aim to the school students, teachers, including students from the higher learning centers. What are the solution? Okay, solution, a difficult determination type of the train. There are 10 types of public transports have been operating in Malaysia, named by a monorail, MRT, KTM Intercity, electric train service, KTM commuter, Sky Park line, KTM cargo, light flow transaction is LRT, Kelai Express transaction, including Lembaga Kel MRT project, which is currently under construction. Through this trip planner application, we have combined all the data, namely train type, operation hours, and maintenance time. Currently, the operation schedule can be viewed, visited website or certain application, and not combined in one in the application as a trip planner. So this app only need to be downloaded on their respective smartphones. So all the customer are easy to access on their respective smartphones. All promotion and facilities offered in the service will be also displayed in the application to attract customer. For example, if a customer choose to use the monorail, the customer only need to select the next monorail. All the time of operation will be a display in the application.
So as we're speaking over here, let's look at the market strategy. So how we kind of enter into the market. So first of all, so using a train in Kuala Lumpur, it's part of our life, since with the hectic jam and everything, and we are also trying to promote where we encourage people to use public transportation. So most of the railways going through the KL city center, such as KTM, LRT, monorail, ERL, MRT as well. So there are various type of trains which goes through the KL Central. Not to forget as well the KLIA Express as well. So when we did a survey, we found out where people are saying, since the times are changing, so people doesn't know exactly what is the timing unless they go directly to the station, and then they'll find out. For example, you can find a schedule on an LRT, but your destination you're heading into will require you to interchange different types of trains, and you'll be reaching to your particular destination. So therefore, we kind of invented this app to help all of you, to make sure that you guys know that what time you're going to reach, and you can make your own planning. So in the terms of feedback in social media as well, we receive a lot of feedback saying that yes, this is an app where we kind of really need of at this moment right now, since most of the application are just mainly on purchasing online ticketing, and where they can purchase tickets, but they're not sure exactly on the timings of other trains and so on, so vice versa. So we believe that this an app will be a solution for many of commuters in the KL city center as well. So let's have a look in the revenue streams in terms of this app. So we will be forecasting around the annual revenue forecast. We also do banner advertisements, social media, in-apps video ads, such as on YouTube, where advertisement pops up and our app will be coming around it, and rewarded videos such as rewarding them a giveaway and so on. So the expenditure will take kind of some cash, but nevertheless we will make money through our advertisements, and we obviously with the subscription of our YouTube channel and so on. So we believe that the revenue stream will continue for a long tenure, and it will be helpful for the investors and also future potential investor also.
Okay, I am Yusairi. I want to present about the business model canvas. The first point in business model canvas, or we call the BMC, the key partners, we collaborate with the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Huawei Gallery, YouTube, Prasarana, KTM Berhad, also with the ERL. For the key activities, we want to create apps can having a train schedule and can plan the journey. For the key resources, we like to plan the journey. Then we can get from the Play Store, Apple App Store, or Huawei Gallery. From the value proposition, we want to create the apps with the having a train schedule, more information about the train, include the price, fare, and all the train schedule in one app in Malaysia. It also can planning a trip for your journey. For the customer relationship, we select with using a social media, example Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. For the customer segment, we like to target from the employee, students, and then all the public transport users. For the channel, to get the apps, we can get the apps from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and Huawei Gallery. From the cost structure method, we can get the cost from the cost for build up the apps for the software engineer, fish from platform provider, example the fish from the Google, Huawei, Apple, and then marketing advertising. From the revenue stream, we also have the annual revenue forecast, venue ads, in-apps video ads, reward video, and subscription. Okay, for the competition factor, we have in Malaysia is Malaysia MRT LRT apps, Pulse apps by Prasarana, KL LRT Price Check, KTM Train, and the last one the Trains Time Malaysia. Okay, from the survey and review, the current apps does not give comprehensive schedule and price for all Malaysian public transit system, including bus transportation timetable available at railway station. User will have hard time saying a schedule and other criteria accessible at each station.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Khiruddin bin Naradin. I want to explain the function in our application or our product. Our product have a 6 function. The first function is journey planner. The function of journey planner is to organize your trip by choosing LRT, MRT, monorail, and so on. The second function is arrival time. Arrival time to calculate or organize your trip in advance with accurate schedule. Third is fare calculator. The function is to calculate your destination fare from this future and prepare accurate cash without interrupt. Function service status is for search option, reference, recent search, and others. Any problem regarding application or any question, you can browse the function contact us. And the last function is Near Me. Near Me is to explore great place or your interests and utilities near you. This function also help you to find all nearby restaurant, shopping mall, hospital, ATM, and a lot more. What are you waiting for? You will download this application in Google Play Store or App Store. For the first 6 month revenue projection grows up from 33,000 ringgit to 50,000 ringgit. To maintain the revenue projection, our team set the pricing strategy, which is setting a price of our product based on what the competition charges. For instance, setting a price lower the competition price. Why competitive price is important? Because the product help you make better decision in the long term and also have total control over your positioning.
So as we're speaking over here, we have been doing valid experimental, as we will say, we did the survey and so on. So most of the commuters where we kind of approached to them to talk about it, and they are very interested with the app. Almost 73.3%, almost 74% kind of states that they are agreed with this application and they kind of like it, and they want to be part of this app as well. So remaining 26.7% says that they are not interested due to many factors such as phone storage and etc. So since we can see a clear image over here where majority are supporting this app, so hence we decided to move forward in inventing this application for all of the users for in Kuala Lumpur as well. And everyone have shared their point of view in terms of what I myself, Alvin, saying that imagination is more important than knowledge, and I prefer to expose our childhood to innovation that leads us to the better outcome in the future, which I strongly believe in it. And my partners as well, Mama Afiq, say that cooperation is the charter conviction that nobody gets there unless everybody gets there in the same page. So next will be Yusairi saying that I am attentive to the details and have great editing skills. My skills are very useful for the development of our product. So next was by Khiruddin, and he said that he enjoys exploring new things and loves to brainstorm new ideas and solve the problem, since this skill will help the organization to run in a long-term channel. So last but not least, Ashwini as well said that she is someone where she likes to learn new things, and with a high social spirit, which is boosted with the ability to organize such a group, and also obviously with us to meet the target objective in order to face the obstacles with solid teamwork. So for our conclusion, what we're trying to say is we are really concerned about the importance of public quality time. Public nowadays are facing difficulty in handling traffic when we're going to work. So obviously it has been concerned as a people nowadays, as we are struggling to live. So a lot of costs coming out. So we are trying to save your money by encouraging all of you to take public transport, and also necessary to at least practice the using of public transport, which could save the cost, as I said earlier, energy and also time with safe environment. So we suggest that the public to try using this app to travel so that they can plan their trips in safety and secure way, along also with avoiding unnecessary time in scheduling or rescheduling or searching for the trains and etc. So we are hoping this application, which could be a good help for you, and also slowly adapting the culture of Malaysians to encourage them to use public transport, and also hence also improve our environment. So that's all from us. Thank you.